So now you've seen how the time series tool operates, but maybe you want to upload a light curve that isn't a wise light curve. I'm going to go upload something that I have on disk that isn't a wise light curve. So I have to choose Other, Upload. The implications of that is that now it doesn't know what images it should pull. It doesn't have access to the images that actually go with this light curve, so it doesn't give me the images option. It does, however, understand that the two columns I've given it are a time and a value. It doesn't, however, fully understand that these are fluxes. It thinks they might be magnitudes, so it's plotted them with the big numbers on the bottom and the small numbers on the top. I can, however, still go calculate a periodogram for it. It still gives me the periodogram. I can still pick peak from the periodogram. It still phases up the light curve. It still gives me a table of just the peaks. It still allows me to accept that period, and it still takes me back to the main screen. So it still works, just not as natively as it does with WISE or, for that matter, ZTF data.